Push-ups might seem repetitive or tough, but there's a reason they've stood the test of time. They deliver results. In this video, I'll break down what push-ups actually do for your body, not just physically, but mentally too. And of course, everything I share is backed by real science, not just gym myths. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more practical fitness tips that actually work. And don't forget to like and share if you find this helpful. Let's get started. Right. Physical benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day: increased upper body strength and definition. Doing 100 push-ups per day has been proven to increase upper body muscle strength. Push-ups engage multiple upper body muscles at once, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. When done consistently, this movement challenges your muscles to generate force and stabilize your body, triggering physical adaptations that enhance strength and muscle size over time. Plus, push-ups naturally stimulate key anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which play a big role in supporting muscle development and recovery. A 2017 study shows that push-ups have similar effects on upper body strength as doing bench presses, which is amazing if you're traveling or can't get to the gym one day. However, this study found that bench presses work your biceps a bit better than push-ups, while push-ups can increase your triceps muscle mass better than bench pressing. If you're interested in the full research and want to dive deeper, check out the link in the description. Pro tip: if regular push-ups are starting to feel too easy, it's time to level up. Try adding a weighted vest, using resistance bands, or performing them on a BOSU ball to increase difficulty and stability demands. But here's something most people don't realize. Doing 100 push-ups a day isn't just great for building upper body strength. It can also give your cardiovascular system a serious boost. Why? Because cranking out high reps, especially in a row, gets your heart pumping faster, improves blood circulation, and enhances your body's ability to deliver oxygen to muscles more efficiently. Even if you take short breaks, this kind of volume still challenges your cardiovascular endurance over time. So you're not just building muscle, you're building a stronger heart too. Push-ups activate and strengthen multiple muscle groups. Strengthening your muscles improves circulation and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, when you're constantly challenging yourself to complete 100 push-ups per day, you train your heart and muscles to be more efficient, helping you build endurance, strength, and flexibility. All of these benefits can lead to a healthier, happier life, and science proves all that. For example, a 2019 study on firefighters researched the connection between doing push-ups and the occurrence of cardiovascular events, CVD. The 1104 participants were split into 5 groups of push-ups and underwent physical tests for 10 years. The study accounted for age and body mass index, concluding that men who performed more than 40 push-ups saw a nearly 90% reduction in the risk of a CVD event. This highlights the importance of regular physical activity and the positive impact push-ups can have on reducing the risk of a life-threatening condition. If you're interested in the full research and want to dive deeper, check out the link in the description. Better posture and reduced risk of chronic back pain. Maintaining a strong and healthy posture is essential for daily activities and preventing chronic back pain. Doing 100 push-ups daily can help you. Here's why push-ups involve the use of the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles, which play a significant role in maintaining a good posture. Doing push-ups regularly also strengthens the muscles around the spine that support the body, and these stronger muscles allow you to sit up straighter, thus reducing the pressure poor posture puts on your spine. All that decreases the chances of having posture-induced chronic back pain. But things can get more interesting. A study on patients with low back pain proves that doing push-ups can significantly reduce pain compared to regular physical therapy. And the reason is simple: push-ups strengthen your abs and lower back muscles, thus reducing pain. The research also highlights that pairing push-ups with sling therapy is even better for overall pain reduction, increased metabolism, and weight loss potential. When you perform push-ups, you engage various muscle groups, such as the chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. But we already discussed that, well, these muscles require a lot of energy to function, and as they continually contract and relax during a push-up, your body burns calories. This burst of physical activity also increases your heart rate, thus boosting your metabolic rate even further. And I'm not done. Adding 100 push-ups to your daily routine increases your overall muscle mass. This helps your body burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're at rest over time. This boost in your metabolism can lead to a reduction in body fat, helping you achieve your weight loss goals. All research points to this. According to one study, 10 weeks of resistance training may increase lean weight by 1.4 kilograms, increased resting metabolic rate by 7%, and reduce fat weight by 1.8 kilograms. And push-ups are an excellent type of resistance training exercise. Mental benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day. Now that you've seen what 100 push-ups can do for your body, let's see what they can do for your mind. Boost in confidence and self-esteem. 100 push-ups per day can do wonders for your confidence and self-esteem because they're hard as hell when you commit to completing 100 push-ups every day. You're setting a challenging goal for yourself that requires discipline, consistency, and determination. As you progress and become better at completing push-ups, you start to feel a sense of accomplishment and pride in yourself. This feeling of achievement translates to other areas of your life, such as work or personal relationships, and can make you feel more empowered and confident in yourself. Additionally, regular exercise releases endorphins and dopamine, promoting a positive mood and reducing stress levels. All that further contributes to your overall sense of self-worth, reduce stress and anxiety. Did you know that doing 100 push-ups daily can help reduce stress and anxiety? It may seem counterintuitive, as physical activity can often be associated with feelings of exhaustion or fatigue. Besides, exercise like push-ups raise levels of testosterone, cortisol, and adrenaline, all linked to stress. However, research has also shown that exercise, particularly the kind that raises your heart rate, can release endorphins, chemicals linked to reducing stress and enhancing feelings of happiness. In fact, a study in the Psychology of Sport and Exercise journal proved that 20 weeks of aerobic training reduced people's stress levels in real-life scenarios. So sometimes raising your stress levels for a limited period in a controlled environment is actually beneficial because it helps you channel that energy and get it out of your system. Improved mental focus and clarity. Numerous studies show that exercise improves cognition and brain function, so doing 100 push-ups every day can bolster your mental focus and clarity. While many people associate physical fitness with bigger muscles, the truth is, better exercise reduces stress and increases blood flow to the brain, which in turn can sharpen cognitive abilities. Push-ups in particular not only target multiple muscle groups in the upper body, but also require intense concentration to execute properly. Maintaining the correct push-up form entails coordinating different body parts and constantly focusing on your movements. That's why incorporating this challenging exercise into your daily routine makes you feel more energized, alert, and mentally agile. Now you know exactly how push-ups can transform your body and your mindset. From building strength and endurance to boosting confidence and heart health, this simple move delivers serious results. But now it's your turn. Do you include push-ups in your daily routine? What changes have you noticed? And are you ready to take on the 100 push-up challenge after watching this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And if this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more real, science-backed fitness content every week.